This is the second time we are organizing the same tournament. Last year we had organized in the month of August where around more than 45 teams from all over Goa have taken part for this. Same good response. This year also we got around more than 42 teams have taken part for this tournament. Wonderful to see the best top players coming and playing in our court, entertaining the KPM crowd. You can see the winners, the smiling faces on the crowd. Even we also satisfy our members who are there in the group as we are known with the rising shuttlers of KPM. The main aim and the main intention of rising shuttlers is to bring up the rising talents. And today the champions are the rising budding talents. Tomorrow they may be the best players in Goa. You can see these two players, the champions. These are the champions of last year. They are also supporting. They are also made a team to be in the finals. We can have these two young budding players. The main intention is to get these players out and send for the nationals.
It is always a special feeling when you win a tournament, but then it takes a lot of hard work. Maybe from Moscow and so on, from something you have understood. Maybe it's very difficult to make a pair, need to practice, a lot of distance to cover every day for practice. So even, first of all, I would also congratulate to Adi and Prasad and also put up a good show for reaching the finals. Secondly, to third place, Pressure and Ritesh. Also to Deepak and Amay, unfortunately partners got hurt. So they played really well in the competition. Then obviously, after the organizer, the tournament has been amazing. It has been like what I've then the one or two tournaments, hardly out of about 15 tournaments we play, 15-20 tournaments we play in our calendar year. But this is like one of the top 3 tournaments according to organization. The way they make the players comfortable, they allow players to play properly. You don't have to wait too much, there is no frustration, there is no complaints. Good linesmen and all are always there. Either it is the first round or the final match, you have good organization for your linesmen and everything. That has been really appreciated. Also, the umpiring has been better. Without here and there, always the player always complains whether he's right or wrong. He would always complain if you take a fall. That is the other part. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I would love to come.
The main idea started from the court because we always come here to play. At least 2 hours we spend here. No matter the age limit, you can see here the counselor Philo. He has motivated us to start with the tournaments. So the idea was come up from Philo, and he is always taking an initiative step to collect the funds, to see that we bring the best teams from Goa. And this is how you can see the team members wearing the Rising Shuttler t-shirt. So this is happening, and we hope to continue the same for many more years.